Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Claude AI to Monday.com so you can manage your projects and tasks in a much smarter way. Now, let's get started. First, go ahead and open Claude and log into your account. From here, you want to click on this plus icon. Under connectors, you want to choose add connector. Now, this is where you can link Claude to different apps and work platforms. From the connector directory, you want to look for Monday.com. Click on this, then choose connect. Once you do that, you'll be asked to sign into your account and approve the permissions so Claude can access your boards, tasks, and workflows. And once everything is connected, you're basically good to go. Now, instead of manually checking your boards, you can just ask Claude things like show my project or task for this week or summarize your project updates, and it'll pull the information directly from your Monday.com workspace. So that's about it. Connecting Claude to Monday.com basically turns your project management into a hands free system where Claude helps you track, organize, and update everything with simple commands. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.